People ask me this question all the time. Fun, how do I know if a job is legit? How do I know if it's a scam? If you're new to virtual assisting or if you're new to working remotely, this is something you need to hear because scammers are everywhere, especially on Telegram, Instagram, and Threads. Trust me on this one. They even tried scamming my goddaughter. So I decided this video is overdue. It's time to start talking about this. So in today's video, I'll be breaking down some of the common red flags that you need to look out for and protect yourself. You should share this video with your friends and families, to be very honest. Like this video so it can reach a wider audience. And oh, hi, if you're just seeing my face, my name is Mfon Akban, the Mfon Akban, ex-HR pro and now a digital entrepreneur, monetizing her knowledge and skills online whilst helping women do the same. So if this is something you're interested in building kingdom businesses online, then you should stick to this channel. Kindly hit the subscribe button. Make sure to turn on the notification bell so you stay updated for every time I post a video on the channel. First, red flag. They ask you to do a ridiculous job without paying you. If someone asks you to complete a task without signing any contract, or paying you first, that's a huge warning. Legit clients don't make you work for free. If it's a test task, then it should be very small. Because I've had my students send me like, I think it was 50 page of Google Doc that they asked him to complete this test. I said, test what? Test what? And even my goddaughter as well. This is another job now that she just recently got that they asked her to write 5 chapters of a story. I'm like, I told her after the first one, I told her again that I gave her my opinion again on this particular one when I heard chapter of a book, and I was like, "Mhm." So if they say do this task and then we'll talk about payment later, please, Fege, it means run. Another red flag you need to look out for is when they promise you a prepayment and then they ask you to pay a certain amount of money, right? Before the prepayment. Let me give you an example. Some job scammers will say, I'll pay you upfront, but then they stall and ask you to pay extra for training or for any material. I'll explain further. My goddaughter was asked to pay $1 to get a book online and then read the book that's about their teamwork, is about whatever they are going to do later. Why am I paying $1 for it? And then they asked her to pay $1 to read the book and get the certificate. This is a sneaky way to make money out of people who want remote jobs, people, virtual assistants or freelancers. Like, how sneaky is this? Imagine 100 people paying $1 for this book. How much is that? Again, legit clients don't make you pay them for nothing. The next red flag you need to look out for, this one is very common. They ask you to pay in order for you to get the job. This one is classic scam territory. If they want you to pay, they tell you to pay so that you get the job. This is 99.9% scam. No matter how desperate you are, no matter how you want to work remotely, please don't pay. Don't pay to get any remote job. Don't pay for it. The next red flag you need to look out for is if you cannot verify the company's info or vague job description. I know those are different things, but I'm just going to put them together, right? If you cannot verify the company's information, for instance, if the company has a website, there's this website I normally use. My neighbor used to use it. I now use it for, especially for my YouTube channel. Like if brands reach out to me for sponsorship, I will use this website to check genuineness, to check their website. And that website is called Scam Advisor. Is it Scam Advisor? If you key in the website and it doesn't come out as 100%, run. I'm going to give you an example. Just carry any known website or known company and go to this website, try it out. You will see the difference, right? So if you cannot get 100 out of them, you should not pay another second to whatever they are telling you. Oh my God, has this been here? So this particular red flag was 2 in 1. That's it for if you cannot verify their information. And then the next one is the job description. If the job description is vague, like I went through the job description that is sent to my goddaughter and I was like, which kind of stress? Like, what is this? Like the email was so, like they will make it in a way that you'll not be able to read. You know those manuals, those ridiculous product manuals. Yeah. So they will write the description. Like the more you read, the more confused you are. So if the job description is not clear, like clear as day, you should run away. So what can you do when you spot, or if you spot these red flags? Number one, see, always trust your gut, right? One of my students came to me with this scam, whatever. And when I told her this is obviously a scam, she was like, yeah, I knew in my gut. I was like, you would have just trust your gut. Just trust your gut, right? Trust your gut. If you feel something is wrong, then there is every possibility that it's shady. And another trick I gave to my other students was, it's okay, right? It's okay. Don't worry about the job description. Don't worry about the tasks they're giving you to do. Just go back to them and tell them that you need 50% prepayment before you can do any task for them. So if they tell you, okay, send your account details, or what this is a contract, let's sign contract, let's do this, then you know they are legit. But if they stop talking to you, you have your answer. So always ask for 50% upfront, or always ask for a contract and 50% upfront before you do any task for anybody. I know you want to work remotely. You do not want to spend your time and do tasks for people, and then at the end of the day, they ghost you. Never, ever pay to get a job, period. So that's today, but if you need to go through this video again to learn about these red flags, please do it. So let me know in the comment section if you've ever encountered any of these red flags, and if this video was helpful to you. Okay, like this video so it can reach a wider audience, and you should share this video to your friends and families so they don't fall for these people. All right, thank you so much for watching. I will see you in this video. Bye bye.